Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I'm doing unboxing of my new phone, that is Huawei Mate 20 Pro. I got this phone last week, but due to some work I can't upload the video. And this phone cost me about 785 US dollar because I live in China, so my cost of this phone is lesser than the global version. And this one is 6 GB and 128 GB variant. This don't have the in-display fingerprint sensor. I didn't choose that model because it's not available that time, so I choose this one. I love this color, twilight color, very beautiful. The 40 megapixel camera, the reverse charging, the 40-volt charger, and the Kirin 980 make this phone the best phone in 2018. So let's begin the video and see what's inside the phone and the unboxing video. And later I will do some reviews of this phone and comparison of this phone as soon as possible. Hope you like this video, and if you're new, please subscribe my channel. So here we go.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So I got this bag from Huawei store today, and let's see what's inside. So this one is my pre-booking bonus, you can say, and here is our phone. So it's written Huawei Mate 20. Let's see it, Huawei Mate 20 series. So as I live in China, so I got this one. So first one is a humidifier. Look really nice. We can charge it. There's a charging cable inside this, and the instruction manual in Chinese. This one just a lock, and this one is a Bluetooth selfie stick from Huawei. It's really nice, and it's cost near about 90 yuan if I want to buy this one. So I really like it. A premium gift by Huawei store. The Bluetooth key, you can say. So let's see the phone now. Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Simple box. Let's open it. I already opened in the store when I bought this one. So here is our phone. This color is really fabulous. So let's see other particles. So one silicone cover, some instruction manual in Chinese, the 40-volt charger. I love this. I want to give it a try. And the charging cable, and they provide us earphone also with type C. That's really good. And this is the adapter converter, you can say. So let's take out the sticker. I really love this color. For this color I have to wait 3 more days. The first sale is on 26th, but I got this on 28th October because of this color. Most of the people want this color. So here we see the features. There's a volume key and the power on button. There is no volume speaker, you can see. The speaker is behind the type USB-C port, and no audio jack, IR blaster. So let's start the phone. Huawei, powered by Android. So they have a lot of languages, you can say. So let's choose English. So the best part of this phone is the face unlock. So let's complete the setting and let's see our phone. So first of all, we will see about phone. So this phone is Android 9, Android Pie, you can say. 6 GB variant, 128 GB storage, Kirin 980. If you really don't like the notch, we can hide it. easily, but I like it. So here is our resolution. You want HD, Full HD or 2K. So it's upon you which one you prefer. You can choose it according to it. And the battery, here is the option wireless reverse charging. This is the best feature you can say. So I asked my friend, he has my Xiaomi Mix 2S, so you can see the phone is charging. So I really love this feature, you know. So this feature is only supported the phone which have this option, wireless charging option, and I think it's really good. So now let's try the Antutu benchmark. Every time I do the Antutu benchmark, the scores are different. In the beginning, the score is less than 200,000, but now my score, you can say, is 270,544. But once it's also more than 300,000. I am not sure why. So you can say average score. So Android 9, Kiri 980, Mali G76, resolution 1440 by 3120, 6.4 inch, 40 megapixel and 20 megapixel rear camera. Front camera is 24 megapixel, NFC supported. So this phone with this price, $785, is the best phone you can say, which have all the features which you need, much better than iPhone this time. So now let's try Geekbench. So the score of the single core is 3279 and the multi-core is 8750. So this is also good. And the computer score is 6600. So now let's move on the another great feature of this phone, that is the camera. So in this phone they have three cameras in the rear, 40 megapixel, 20 megapixel and 12 megapixel. So you can say in the portrait they have many modes. I will do a complete camera review later. So we can record 4K ultra high definition video in rear camera. And they have so many sub features in this one. I will show you in the camera review. And you can say slow motion, panorama, monochrome, AR lens, light painting, HDR, time lapse, filter, 3D panorama, watermark, and so many. I clicked many pictures and this one is really good. So later I will show it. And in the slow motion you can record the video in 960 fps. So wait for the camera review for the complete camera review. So these are some camera shots. Really the camera is really fabulous, you can say, clear and really good. So now let's check the speaker quality. You can see in this one the speaker is behind the charging port. So let's listen some music. So the speaker quality is really good. So this is the just unboxing video. The other reviews are coming soon, and I will compare this phone with my Oppo Find X and Mix 3 and Magic 2, Honor Magic 2 soon. So stay connected, and if you like this video, please press the like button, and if you are new, subscribe me.